Question 1, Part C. Let A be the point 3, -1 and B be the point 9, 2. Find the coordinates of the point P which divides the interval AB externally in the ratio 5:2. We can model this situation with a sketch of interval AB. So here it is. There's point A, 3, -1, and point B, 9, 2. Now this sketch is not to scale, but it's just more to help us represent visually what is going on. Now point P represents an external division. So in other words, point P divides the interval AB in the ratio 5:2. And because it's an external division, point P will be outside of the interval. And because the ratio has the first term larger than the second term, point P will be to the right of point B. If it was the other way around, let's say 2:5, point P will be to the left-hand side of point A, so it'll be down here somewhere instead. So point P represents an external division. That means the ratio 5:2 is this distance here, A to P, that's the 5, and then from P back to B, that's the 2. So 5:2. So we want to find the coordinates of point P. Now, if that's 5:2, then A to P is 5 and P to B is 2. That means the ratio AB to BP must be 3:2. So to find the x coordinate of P, we need to find what one share or one part of the ratio is worth. And then we add that to the x coordinate of point B to find out how far to the right we need to go. So the x coordinate of P is found by 9 minus 3, so that's 9 minus 3 in brackets divided by 3, which comes from this term here. Then we multiply it by 2, which comes from this term here. And then we add that result to 9, which comes from this coordinate here, and we get 13. Likewise, to find the y coordinate of P, we do 2 minus -1, so that's 2 minus -1, so that's the vertical distance from A to B. We divide that by 3, multiply that by 2, and then add that to the y coordinate of B, which is 2, and we get 4. Therefore, the coordinates of P is 13, 4.